I got a BYRNA SD, which is a self-defense pistol. It shoots CO2 and kinetic rounds. Alright, I'm going to show you how to get into it and everything. You keep your safety on until you get ready to fire. And keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. Okay, now this has a CO2 cap right here, and the magazine has a little tool right here that little right there, that you put into the hole in the CO2 cap and unscrew it. Let's see. Let me get it out of here. Get the CO2 cap off, and then I will put the CO2 cylinder back on. We will go and fire this thing. Do some target practice. Alright, CO2 cap off, and CO2 cartridge unpunctured, and we will put it right here, like this. Goes like that. And then you screw your CO2 cap back on, and use your tool to get it tight. Use your tool on your magazine. And get it a little bit tight, but not really tight. Just enough to keep it in there, I guess. Okay. Now we're ready to load it. I'm going to use these right here. They are the training projectiles. They look like that. These can be used over if you, well, let me see. I think these can be used over if you can find them again in the ground or wherever you shoot them at. But these come with the eco-friendly too, eco-kinetic, and they dissolve on impact, okay? So can't use them anymore. But I'm going to load it. And what you do to load it, push that down in there. It holds 5 rounds. Okay, and what you do, see that little notch? That little notch, which is your CO2 cap tool. It goes facing you. The end of the gun is pointed this way, and it goes like this, okay? And you put it up in there until it snaps really good, okay? Now it's ready to fire. I'm keeping the safety on and my finger off the trigger until I actually get ready to fire, okay? But I'll show you how to unload it now. Alright, how you unload it is, make sure it's still on the safety. Oh, by the way, this is this is for a left-handed person or a right-handed person, because it's got the safety on this side, safety and fire on that side, and safety and fire switch on that side too. So it's for a left-handed or right-handed person. But how you get it out of here, how you unload it, this little thing right here, you mash it like that, and it drops the magazine down. Okay, and you will notice that this thing, when it's unloaded, this little notch right here is down. When it's loaded, it comes up like that. And it's still got a round in the chamber. Okay, it's still got a round in there. So how you get it out is like this. Okay, you mash this thing down like this, and it comes out like that. And now you can see it's down. Okay, and how you get these out is just, sometimes these will go everywhere. Okay, I'll just put it over here and just eject them out. It just ejects out. You push that little lever right there and it ejects out. And to get the CO2 out, you take your tool again, your magazine tool, with the tip right there, and you unscrew it. Okay, and your CO2 comes out. All right, now let's go fire it. Do some target practice. All right. I hit it that time. I hit that one. Hit the backdrop. Alright, I had fun, y'all, going out there doing that. I hit the target. You can hear on the video I hit it twice, okay? I hit the target twice. And this is unloaded. I unloaded it again. But I hit the target twice. And I had fired 5 rounds before I turned the camera on. And I don't think I hit it. I don't think I hit the target during those 5 rounds. But when I turned the camera on, I hit it twice. And then I turned the camera off again after that 5 rounds and hit. I put in 3 more rounds three rounds of the bullet things. Just 3. And I hit it twice more. So, but you can hear on the video where it dings, pow, ding, you know. I hit it twice. But it says you could hit up to, this will do up to, let's see, 50 feet. You can hit something up to 50 feet. And I think since I can't see good, I moved up to about 10 feet. So I hit it 4 times at 10 feet. All right, that was fun. Now I'm going to have to buy more rounds. And CO2 too. It only came with 2 CO2 containers. And I've done used one. So I got to buy some more rounds and some more CO2. All right. I hope this video was informational and, and you know, fun. But like I said, these are like legal in all 50 states. And you can get it without a permit. And for me, I have to get it. I can't pass a background check. So nothing criminal or anything, just, you know, mental health issues. And even if you can prove that you are better and you're not taking any kind of medication from the psychiatrist or anything, and the psychiatrist approves, signs off on you getting a handgun, you still can't pass a background check. And this is in Alabama. If you go about trying to get a handgun legally, you're going to have a hard time getting it if you have something in your background that they deem is dangerous, okay? Now, I'm not dangerous, but I cannot get a handgun, a real handgun, with a permit, because I cannot pass a background check because of my mental health issues in the past, okay? It's in the past. But when I was younger, when I was a teenager, but I still can't get it because I can't pass a background check. But anyway, you can get this without one and without a permit, legal all 50 states. BYRNA. They have a YouTube channel. Go watch their videos and check out their website if you're interested. And I like it. I like it. All right.